Agentforce. Sounds like something straight out of an action movie, doesn't it? Don't worry, it is just another crazy innovation by Salesforce. And you would know that if you watch Salesforce Hulk. So stick around for the next few minutes to find out what is Agentforce and how it works. We've already covered the complete journey of AI in Salesforce in our previous video of this series. If you have not watched it yet, I'll link it up here in the I tab. And today we will explore Agentforce. It is a brand new AI platform by Salesforce integrated in their existing ecosystem and lets you build AI-powered agents for your tasks. These AI agents are your super smart digital assistants, your companion in everyday tasks, whether simple or complex. They can answer, reason, take actions, and make smart decisions at almost light speed. If you're thinking about chatbots, I'm going to stop you right there. Because AI agents in Salesforce are nothing like chatbots, but much more advanced. They can think, they can learn from your data, and they can execute tasks on your behalf without needing any follow-up command from your end. In simple language, they are your virtual colleagues. So basically, there are 5 things that make up an AI agent in Agentforce: roles, data, actions, guardrails, and channels. Each AI agent is assigned a role. Think of it like a job title. It can be a customer service assistant, a sales rep, a support agent, etc. It keeps them focused and purposeful. But AI is only as good as the data it uses, right? Agentforce runs on trusted data from Salesforce Data Cloud. So it's not just pulling random stuff from the internet, it knows your business and your customers really well. Then comes the actions. These agents don't just give you information. They can actually take action, like creating a support ticket, updating lead status in your CRM, or sending a follow-up email to a user. And then there are guardrails. These are built-in rules and limitations that make sure the agent stays ethical, safe, and on brand, so that there is no wild AI behavior in your absence. Lastly, the channels, like your Slack, WhatsApp, email, your website. AI agents are everywhere you need them and can work across multiple channels, so your customer gets help wherever they are. Now the question that you must have is, how is it even possible? Let me get into detail about how Agentforce works. It all starts with something called the Agent Builder. It is a low-code builder for Agentforce where you define your agent's role, what it should do, how it should act, and how it fits into your business. You're basically giving it a job description. Like this agent will answer your billing questions or handle product recommendations. You can find it similar to building your avatar on a social media app. And the best part is that it does not need much coding. In fact, you can find pre-built templates for many common agentic tasks. Next, you connect your Salesforce Data Cloud. This is where all your customer info, interactions, and business data live. But Agentforce doesn't just dump all the data into the AI. It uses metadata to understand structure, relationships, and meaning. This is to make sure that your AI agent knows what it's looking at. Then, with flows, prompt builder, Apex, or APIs, you can configure your agent. Configuration means guiding the agent's responses, shaping its tone, and creating a library of actions for it to choose from, and even how it handles different types of queries. You can also easily monitor your agent's plan of action and test the responses given right in the Agent Builder. Sounds pretty easy, right? Now let's talk about the brain of the system, the Atlas Reasoning Engine. This is where things get powerful. This engine sends your agent through a reasoning process and makes it intelligent enough to decide the next steps. So instead of just saying "I don't know" to a query, your agent can access tools and data to figure out that it needs to pull order details. Then it can suggest relevant options and take action, all by reasoning step by step. It also uses something called Advanced RAG, which is Retrieval Augmented Generation. This means that before the AI agent creates a response, it pulls in real-time relevant information from your connected knowledge sources, like support articles, documentation, product guides, etc. And it does not stop there. Agentforce agents also work in Agentic Loops. These loops mean the agent can reason in cycles. It doesn't stop after one step. It reflects on what it did, evaluates the result, and continues if needed. So if one step doesn't solve the issue, it can think, okay, What's next? And keep going until the task is done. Well, that was all about the AI brain and Agentforce. I hope you got all your answers. And if you have any more questions or you want to learn Agentforce, then you can connect with our experts for guidance. Find the contact details in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with someone who might need it. And thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.